Many people don't realize that Wordwall.net includes audio, and actually it includes audio in multiple languages, and the system has been getting better and better. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to generate audio and add audio to your games. It's important to understand that you need to generate the audio for each sentence first before it works. Let me show you. I'm going to click on Create Activity, and for this one, I'm going to choose Spin the Wheel. And I'm now just going to quickly write in some questions. I've now written my questions, but there's still no audio. I need to click on this button. I need to choose the language, and notice this works in multiple languages. So I'm going to choose English. I can choose a male or female voice, and then I need to generate the audio. I click on Generate.
What did you do yesterday?
And then I click on OK. I need to do the same for the second one. I click here. I click on Generate.
Talk about your last holiday.
It generates the audio. I click on OK. I do the third one.
Talk about your best friend.
And click on Hotel. OK. Finish all of the activities and click on Done. When you play this activity now, it will include audio. If you want more free videos on how to use technology in language teaching, please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. There's loads of content, including a special section of AI videos. If you really want to follow my work, sign up to the newsletter. If you sign up to the newsletter, at the moment there is a free 14-part video course in how to use technology in language teaching, where I focus on most of the best free tools that are available. There are no tricks, and you get sent one video every 3 or 4 days.